Yeah, hi Tom, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, so here's your part, the 1255. So basically what I've gone ahead and done, I've obviously stripped it down. I've checked the micro switch for you, that's perfect, it's in excellent condition. The cogs are in excellent condition, little bit of a clean up, nothing mega though. Put a new laser in there for you. And board, unfortunately your board was stuffed. I honestly don't know what's wrong with the board, but I've replaced the board for you with another one, so that's all working now. So yeah, you know, the whole part's working. So you know, basically I'll give you a guarantee on the whole part there for 6 months. You know, I'll probably do it longer than that for you anyway. So you know, you shouldn't get any issues in 6 months anyway. You know, hopefully this should last you for another 5 to 10 years as it is. So yeah, so let me just turn that on for you, and then you can see it all playing and running up. Let me just turn that volume up for you. You have to excuse the tinniness because I'm using it out of headphones, and it's my little rig that I've built up. It's you know, it's pretty much the same board as what you've got in your Century. But yeah, as you can see, it's all running as it should be. So yeah, like I say, you shouldn't get any issues with this anymore now. It's fairly, you know, again, it's a newish unit. This one's not had a lot of use on it. You know, I'll be honest with you, I'm very surprised that the board's gone on this, because you know, these boards don't go down. It's very rare for them to go down. So I don't know why, you know, why it's gone like that. And I have looked for anything that's dropped off, because you know, when people remove them, you know, they don't realise that they just snag it a little bit with a screwdriver, and like a little surface mount part comes off or something, you know. And you can easily do it. I've done it, so you know, it's very easy. But yeah, okay, Tom, sorry. I hope you're happy with this, and yeah, and any problems, you know, just give us a call. As soon as I get payment for this, I'll get this out to you via special delivery. Thanks again, buddy. You have a great day.